from the world of tech, it is a tech war between China and the US that has escalated again. China has announced new trade restrictions on 10 American companies, in response to which Washington's decision to expand a Pentagon list of companies it says have links to China's military. Additionally, China's finance ministry has barred 46 US companies from participating in government procurement projects. China's Commerce Ministry has placed 10 US companies on its exports control list, which includes rare earth procurers and producers and drone manufacturers as well. The decision prevents those firms from receiving so-called dual-use goods from China, items that can have both civilian and military applications. The companies include rare earth miners and MP Materials and US Rare Earths, as well as drone makers Teal Drones and Jaya Robotics too. In a separate move, China's finance ministry barred 46 US companies, which includes Lockheed Martin and Boeing Defense, from participating in government procurement projects. Most of the firms affected are defense contractors. Chinese officials even said that foreign-funded companies registered locally would be exempted from the restrictions. Well, this action follows a recent update to the Pentagon's so-called 1260H list, which identifies companies that the US believes support China's military. China's technology giants Alibaba and Baidu, along with electric vehicle maker BYD, were among the companies added to the list this month itself. While the designation does not impose immediate sanctions, it does prevent the US Defense Department from awarding direct contracts to listed firms, with Beijing accusing Washington of using national security as a pretext in order to, what it calls, create discriminatory restrictions on Chinese companies. The latest tit-for-tat measures highlight continuing tensions between the world's two largest economies, particularly in technology, defense, and strategic supply chains too.